Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Tuesday, 12th of April. And there's something that I just want to discuss. A little bit busy today, but I'm just gonna resume with the updates now. There are four reasons why Bitcoin might be in danger. Okay, and we might see a sell-off that can take maybe huge dumps is coming in. I don't know, but at this point of time I'm silent. Yesterday's technical target was met, absolutely right on the money. Bitcoin came down to 39,300. That was given out of a bear flag and we met the target. The question really comes in, is this the end of the retracement to the downside, or are we going to actually fall to the downside? Now, number one reason that Bitcoin is actually in danger and we're looking to go even way more down potentially is you haven't lost this trend line in such a long time. Do you see this? This is a long time, that ever since January 2022, you have never actually lost it. That's the number one reason. Number two reason of this one is that on the 4 hour time frame, guys, the EMAs is actually restricting the prices to go to the upside. So if I turn on the EMA, you can see the 10 EMA is really pushing Bitcoin very badly, and it seems like you potentially came down, make another bear flag right over here, and you're breaking out of that bear flag. And if it actually turns out to be true, then you're looking for Bitcoin to actually go to the downside, where to $37,500. Now, put a big stop loss right over here, 39,215. In order for us to actually confirm 37,000, you're gonna have to lose 39,215. Otherwise, you could actually potentially just come here, make a double bottom, and then from there start to go to the upside. It's not a very confirmed statement right now, but I still think there's a chance of Bitcoin to still dump even way more to the downside. Okay, now the next thing that I want to say is, if you do come to $37,000, then that's not good at all. That's not really good. That's actually bad. That's actually bad, but we're going to talk about it in the future updates. Now, these are two reasons. The EMA on the 4 hour time frame is looking bad. On the daily, you have lost this trend line right over here. Maybe I have three reasons. I don't know. Maybe it's four. I'm just trying to remember the other one. Yeah, the other one is going to be the altcoins are looking way too bad at this point of time. So what I'm gonna say is, if I actually open Ocean for you, so Ocean is a Web 3.0, what do you call this, Web 3.0 project right there. And if you look at it, you actually came down, and what did you put in? A bearish rectangle, just like that. So if you look at this one right here, it's actually gonna take you from there to there, and this is looking to still dump to the downside. Okay, so there is like almost 13% drop pending towards the downside, and actually that matches with Bitcoin going to all the way to 37,000. So if it does that, you're going to see this one going to that technical target, which has not been met. Okay, so this is number three. Number four is basically GMT. So if you look at a GMT, not I open up the wrong one. Yeah, if you look at GMT, guys, GMT on the daily is looking to even drop way more to the downside, and we actually never saw GMT meeting the technical target, which is the 1.4. So altcoins actually give you good idea about Bitcoin as well, if Bitcoin is actually going to drop or not. So a lot of them are looking to go down. SOP in general is also looking to go down. SOP has a technical target at this level, 150 levels. So Bitcoin has to drop somehow. So these are the four reasons. Now, what's the bullish part of it? I think the only way to save the day for Bitcoin is if by chance you start to go up to 40,900. To me, that will be absolutely best reverse for Bitcoin to go to the upside. 40,900 to me seems like a safe place to say that Bitcoin is okay and Bitcoin is not going to dump to the downside. So let's see what happens. It's very unclear what's going to happen next. Okay, so we need to see the candlesticks closing, but if you're starting to close below the support line, then that's negative. That's not positive at all. Lose support, you don't support the coin. That's going to be the mantra of the channel, I guess. And that's it for the update. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to take technical analysis course, do check it out. And if you want to pay 29 bucks, join the Discord and message me on Discord to get it for 29 bucks for a limited time. Okay, that's it. I'm going to see you the next update. Allah Hafiz.